Okay, good evening. Sa last meeting, tapos dahil doon sa connection ng database. But now, gagawin naman natin yung write. Okay. To write a records using the Visual Basic going to the database. So, yung folder natin last meeting is the dist. Wala na ata. dist1a. I think we can use the dist11b. Okay. So, this is it. Open the solution. Same process lang naman, no? Kung nakapag-add na tayo dati, magdadagdag lang tayo ng code using the module. Very short. Ayan. So, this is the last activity. Nag-add tayo ng module. Wala siyang code. Okay, nandito yung code niya. So, this is the connection line and the reading record function, the connection. Okay, and then the form, login form, the code for login. So, meron tayo niyan, no? Function for login. So, ngayon, this time, gagawin naman natin, instead na login natin in open ang database, magra-write tayo using the visual. So, debug, this is the database. Okay, so, kasi hindi pwedeng, pag may bagong account, punta ka ng database, type mo yung account. Okay? So, this is the TVL user. Dagdag tayo ng isa pa dyan, ng isang record dyan, pero tawag dito, hindi tayo dapat papasok sa ating database. Okay, gagamitin lang natin yung ating interface, the visual. So, delete ko lang yan. Ayusin ko lang yung table natin. So, this is supposed to be auto number. And save, of course, yes. So, dagdag tayo dito. This is John 1, 2, 3. So, this is 1, 2, 3. Admin 1, 2, 3. Okay, then save. So, yan ang purpose natin mamaya. Okay, so tuloy natin. So, this time add tayo ng another form for the registration. Add another form, Windows form. Naka-record ba tayo? Okay, Windows form. Pangalan nito ay FRM reg. Then add. So, instantly, ito yung ating registration. This is registration. User registration. Okay. So, meron na tayo dyan. Then, kukopyahin ko na lang yung content ko. Siyempre. Copy. And then, paste ko na lang dito. Para given na. Same with background. Pwede natin gamitin yung background. Tanggalan natin from the first form. Okay, hanapin lang natin. So, ito siya. And then, okay. So, says dito. Kasi ano yan, tingnan yung pinalakihan natin. Nakatile siya. Marami sila. Gawin lang natin stretch to. Yan. Okay. Para adjustable. So, ayan na sila. Ito, ang pangalan nito ay txt uname, txt password, and login. So, supposed to be ito ay btn register. Ang pangalan, ang caption naman niya is register. Okay. So, register. Okay. So, code tayo. Dagdag tayo sa module natin. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung reference, si Microsoft Active Data Object, ActiveX Data Object. Kung itutuloy niyo yung recent activity niyo, meron na naka-install yan. So, ayan siya. Okay. Anyway, pwede nyo balikan yung mga ibang videos dito. Naka-record naman yan. So, let's try to create another sub function. It's supposed to be public yan. Let's say write records. Okay. declare tayo ng parameter strSQL as string. Okay, so let's start with this with con, yung may hawak ng ating connection. Okay, yung nasa taas, ito siya. Okay, dot begin France. So common, napaka-short lang ng code dito. Execute strSQL. Ito yan, no? Ito yan. Okay, and then that ano bang kasunod ito? Commit trans. Okay, okay na yun. So dito sa part ng register, gagawa tayo ng another declaration which dim strSQL as same with the form 1 before as string, sorry, as string, dim rs records as new addodb that record set. Okay, so declare tayo ng function private sub register account. Okay, for register account to database. Okay, so ganito lang siya, strSQL. So yun yung nakadeclare sa taas. Okay, sumunod siya, insert into, pangalan ng table natin is tbl user. Okay, tbl user. Okay, and then kasunod yung column, no, yung column dito. Ayan, username and password. Type username and password. Okay, dagdagan ko na ng s kasi magkakaproblema tayo mamaya dyan. Save. Okay, and then kasunod ay values. Saan magagaling yung values? So single quote, double quote, ampersand. Ito ay magagaling dito. Ito type nyo dyan kung anong pangalan yan at kung anong pangalan dito. Okay, txt uname.text, and syempre, sorry, hindi, comma lang, comma, single quote, sa loob, double quote, and dalawang ampersand sa loob. Txt password.text. So meron na tayo, di ba? And then, so gagawin natin dito call write record. Ito yung nanggaling sa ating module. Ito yan. Okay, pasok natin si strSQL. Tignan ng message box. Let's say account registered. Okay, try lang natin, so dito sa button, i-call ko si ito, call register account. Ayan. So try natin ngayon, palitan ko muna para pag niran ko mauna yung form reg. Let's try. So halimbawa, mga dist1a, password ko din dist1a, register. So may error tayo. What's wrong with this? Is close. Oh, wait lang. Is close. Naman. Wait lang. Yung sabihin baliktad. Try natin. dist11a, dist11a, register. So meron pa rin tayong error. It's not close. What's wrong with you?